Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Pilot cabin air filter. First, locate the glove box on the passenger side of your vehicle. You will need to empty it completely to gain access to the filter housing. Gather a few simple tools, such as a small flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool, which will assist in the process. This ensures you are. Now, let's remove the glove box. Gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to release its stops, allowing it to drop down. You will then see a small damper arm on the right side. Carefully detach it from its pin. Finally, unhook the glove box from its lower hinges and set it aside. This provides clear access to the filter compartment. With funds in your account, you are ready to make your purchase. Navigate to the trading section and find the pair for your desired cryptocurrency, for example, altcoins/USD. You can place a market order to buy immediately at the current price or a limit order to specify a price you wish to pay. Once your order is filled, your new crypto will appear in your exchange wallet. To finish, reattach the cabin air filter cover, ensuring both clips are securely fastened. Next, align the glove box with its lower hinges and snap it back into position. Reconnect the damper arm to its pin on the right side. Finally, push the glove box back into its closed position until the side stops engage, completing the installation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.